session Mathematics Standard 6 Chapter number 2 Wall Numbers Exercise number 2.2. We are going to solve the questions which are given in this exercise. Before starting our today's sessions, let's do some physical exercise and mental prayer. Can you hear the sound? Yes, it will be warm up. Keep it on the both ears. Yes, you feel a hot. Now stretch your fingers, and then after you can turn off your wrist anti-clockwise, ulta. Yes. Now press it. As it is, press it. You can do. Yes, very good. Good student. Let's begin our today's sessions. It gives us energy. Physical exercise gives us energy. Let's start our today's session. Okay. Are you ready with your notebooks, textbook and ball pen? Here is the question number 1 of exercise 2.2. See, the question is here. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. There are two questions. Question number A, 837 plus 208 plus 363. How many numbers are given, students? Yes, there are 3 numbers, and these 3 numbers are joined with plus operator, addition operator. That's here. We cannot do directly 3 numbers. But now you are the student of 6th standard. You are knowing very well how to solve these types of questions. Because in lower standard you may be did down additions, or sometimes in a horizontal way also some students can find. But in this you should have to use some property of wall numbers. Which property you have to use? Just I will show you. Here is the answer number 1. But before starting today's answer number 1, let's check these 3 numbers. Once again I read out 837, 208 and 363. Yes, students, you are right. These all numbers having 3 digits, ones, tens, hundreds. Yes, student, ones, tens and hundreds. 3 digits are there for each and every one. Now look at the ones digits all number. Yes, my dear friend. Yes, here is the 3, here is the 8 and here is the 7. Do you find anything? If you add 2 numbers very easily, it will make a 10. Yes, your imagination is right. Good, students. That's a 7 plus 3 makes you a 10. So shall we make it in associated groups? Okay, let's check the answer, how they did or how to go for this answers. Okay, answer is here. Once again I remind you, you should have to write question with black pen, answer with blue pen. Oh, very nice. You are knowing very well. You all are having that both kind of pen. It is very easy to read out the question and answer, and you can find easily solution. See, students, here the question is written 837 plus 208 plus 363. Some students are writing directly answers from here, this step, no problem. You can start from here, answer. Just now I gave hint. What you have to do, this number and this number you have to join together. Come in group. Yes, here you can put it in a bracket and then after plus 208. Why I did this one? Because it will give you a very fast answer and correct answer. Let's check. 3 plus 7, that's it to 0. 1 is the carryover. The carryover will goes to the 6. Students, now you can do the horizontal additions. Yes, some students has a doubt, they can do like this way also, no problem, in rough work. 387 plus 363. Yes, student, very good. Now 0, 1 is carryover, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 is 0, 1 is carryover, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3, yes, 12. So for this answer is 1200. About this one is a 1200 is the answer. Is it here? Yes, that's a 1200. And what the next number? Yes, next number is left as 208. Good. Now out of 3 numbers, you made 2. Yes, we made 2. Yes, correct. We made 2. Now after 2, we are going to make 1. That's a magic of math. See, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. Yes, very good. Okay, very simple for this one. Ones with ones, 0 plus 8, 8. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 2. Sorry, 2 plus 2, 4. And 1 is remaining. That's a 1. The answer is here 1408. Why I am reading the numbers? Because you can put the practice to read out the numbers. Otherwise, you will make a mistakes. Good. Any doubt for this question? No. Is it easy? So easy. Just only keep it one thing. Make group of the numbers which are having the 10 or hundreds, like that way you can make it. Here 10 is there, you can search out for last digit. That's a ones place. Ones place addition should be 10. Okay? Yes. Now here is the question number 2. Question number 2 is very simple. But here 4 numbers are written. One number comes down, 647. Student, don't be afraid. 647 is the number. 647. Student, one more number is here. How many numbers are there? Yes, there are 4 numbers. Number 1, 1962. Second number is 453. Third number is 1538. And last number is 647. Now observe the numbers. Yes, my dear student. Out of 4, 2 are 3 digits number and 2 are 4 digits number. Digit means, suppose this is a 4 digit number. Yes, this is also 4 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means you can say ones, tens, 100 and 1000. What about the remaining number? Yes, remaining number are 3 digits. See, this is a circle wala number having the 3 digits number. Just now we discussed in question number 1a, make a pair of 10. Did you find any common thing here? Yes, very good. This number having 2 in the ones place and this number having 8 in one place. Can you make it together? Yes. Oh, second number also having same thing. Yes, here is the 3 and here is the 7. Will you make this together? Let's check the answer for this one step. Yes, answer number 1 B is here. 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. What they did? Yeah, just now we discussed same thing they did here. Here they made the pair of 1962 plus 1538. It should be in bracket. And 453 plus 647. Very good. Okay, now it is easy. Can you do it fast? Without making in a down positions, you can do directly. See, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1 carry over. Keep the carry here. Now, 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is here, 1 is a carry over. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 1 is the carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So my answer is here. Very good. Now regarding this one, 6 plus 3, yes, 10. 1 is the carry over. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 is here, 0, 1 carry over. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. Very simple. Now, out of 4 number, I made it 2. Once again, very simple addition of 2 numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. On the 100 place, what is that? 5. And second number, 1. 5 plus 1, 6. Yes. And then 3 plus 1, 4. Yes. My answer is 4, 6, 0, 0. What is in words? Yes. Very good. 460. There. That's why I am telling you, don't say answer without calculation. Here you should have to count the digits. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Then why 1000 is, where is the 1000? Yes, my dear student. Second thing, don't forget first lesson. First lesson we learn about the comma. Put the comma after 3 number. Immediately you can find this is the 100 sides and 10 sides, and here is the 1000 side. So you can read out 4600 is the correct answer. Understood? Why we are using the comma? You got the idea here. Because otherwise your answer may be wrong. Suppose they ask us in the question, write inverse of this number. How can you write? You lose your marks. My dear students, that is the simple rule in mathematics. Learn all the things and keep it in your mind. Don't forget, never. A lifelong subject. All the rules, all the methods you have to keep. Yes, you are knowing. Yes, I know you are knowing. But our memory is not that much sharp. If we are not using regularly, if we are not recalling that one, we will forget it. That's a nature rule. God created this system. Understood? Yes. Let's move for our second question. Here is our question number 2. Question number 2 is here. Same way. Find the product of by suitable rearrangement. Rearrangement. Arrangement is already given, but rearrangement. फिर से उसको आगे पीछे करना है students. How? Let's check. Here is first question. There are the 6 questions are given. Out of first question is here. You can see 2 into 1768 multiplied by 50. Got it? This is our first question. How many numbers are given, students? Yes, 3 numbers are given, and all 3 numbers are different digits. First number having 1 digit, second number having 4 digits, third number having 2 digits. What we have to do? Very simple. Before starting these questions, let's revise some good things. Do you know what is the answer of this one? 2 into 5 or 5 into 2, vice versa. Good. 10. Will you tell me 2 into 50? Yes, good answer, student. 100. 50 rupees, 50 rupees. 2 rupees are there. Rupees I will give always example because it gives us a clear idea of a calculation. Because everyone like money. Money. Okay. 2 into 50, 100. Very good answer. Will you tell me 4 into 25? 4 students are there. Each are having 25 rupees. How much they will make it? Oh, 100. Correct answer, student. Okay, one more thing. Suppose there are 5 students and they has to take out some rupees and make it 100. How many rupees each one has to bring? Hello, student. Give the answer now, ulta. I want the answer here and fill in the blanks. They may be asking anyway. 5 students are there. they have to bring equal money and make it together gives us 100 rupees. How many rupees each one has to bring? Yes, you are right. 20 rupees. Yes, 20. Cricket match. Yeah, boys are like this much very well. A 20. 20 into 5 gives us a 100. Yes, students. So here you find 4 formulas to make a number into 10 or 100. 403 formulas are there. 2 into 50, 4 into 25, 5 into 20, which all gives us 100. So look at the first question. Anything is common? Yes, my dear student, here 2 and 50 is there, which gives us a 100. And 100 has how many pani puri? 2. 10 has 1. 1000 has 3 zeros are there. So remember these things. How many zeros are there? Okay, let's start for the answer first. Very easy question, students. You will get marks easily. See, the answer number 1 is here. Let's check. What the answer? We can check. Our first answer is here. Make the group of 2 and 50. Yes, and then third answer is separate. Commutative, associative properties, you can use it. Okay, what is here 2 into 50? Yes, that's 100, which gives 100. This answer is 100. And what about the third number? Yes, as it is. Now forget about this 20. Send it out. Who is remaining there? 1 only. And we are knowing 1 into any number, same number is the answer. Same number is the answer. So here is the wrong answer, student. Is it or not? I brought here purposefully wrong answer. So what will be the here? Yes, my dear student, this is the wrong answer. You can write here 1768. And how many zeros you have to add it, students? Yes, 2 more zeros are there. Very good, student. Keep it up. 2 zeros are there. Once again I am writing here. How to write 2 zeros here? Yes, 1 and second 0 is here. This is not 6, this is a 0. 7. What is the answer, student? Yes, comma. Yes, 1,76,800. Oh, itna bada answer. Yes, pakka. Will you move for second one? Yes, let's check the second one. So correct yourself here, 1,76,800. Now look at here, question number 2. 2 is here, B. 4 into 166 into 25. Into 25 is here. Yes, student. What numbers you have to make together to make a 10 or 100? Yes, this and this number you have to make it together. That gives us 100. And 166 as last. Same way, 2 zeros we can send it out. 166 into 1 is 166. And call back this 3 zeros. Especially our choice is Pani Puri. Very good. Answer is 16,600. Yes, keep it up. Let's move for the C. C is here. 8 into 1, 291 multiplied by 125. Yes, student, our choice is over now. Now regarding the third, 1000 you can make it. How 1000 you can make it? So many ways are there. You just count here 8 into 125 together, which gives us a 1000. And third number as it is. 3 zeros you can add it afterwards. Very clear. Now move for the third one. 16 is there. 16 is a 10,000. 625 into 16 gives us a 10,000. Last number is remain and 4 zeros are there. Regarding E. Yes, student. Here 285 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 60. No numbers are there here extra. 100 or thousands or 10,000s. So what we have to do? Very simple. Take small number and little big number. 5 into 60. Yes. 66 zeros is, forget it. Now is there 5 into 6. 5 6 are, yes, student, 30 and call back that 0. Which gives us a 300. It is easy to give the answer for this one. Okay, regarding this one, forget about this 20. What you can see? Yes, my dear student, 285 multiplied by 3. Still now you don't have the practice to give the direct answer. So what you are doing in rough note? Yes, so everybody has to do the answer for this one. Multiply by 3. Chalo, look at your question and find the answer. 285 multiplied by 3. Your time starts now. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5, tick tick 6. Stop. See students, I am giving here a particular time to complete it because it gives our a good practice to find out the correct answer in speed. Okay, 5 3s are 15. 1 is the carryover. 8 3s are 8 3s are yes. 24. Good. Plus 1. Don't forget carry. Yes, 25. Who is the carryover now? 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 855 is the answer. Correct. And how many zeros were there? 2. Add 2 more zeros. Easy? Easy or not? Yes, my dear student, it's so easy. Now, regarding the next one, student, last answer is left here. D, I forgot to give it here. D also finished. And now F, 125 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 25. Oh, very nice. You remember that one. 125 multiplied by 8 and multiplied by 40 into 25. Two groups are there. This side, this side. Okay, no problem. Between, don't forget to put the multiply sign. These all numbers are in multiplications. Okay, let's show. 125 multiplied by 8. How much? Yes, 1000. And what about 4 into 25? 100. But one more zero is there. 40. 1000. Yes. 1000 have 3 zeros. This 1000 has 3 zeros. Send them 3 zeros outside. What is left now? Yes, my dear student. 1 into 1. And we are knowing 1 into 1, 1 only. And how many Pani Puri you send it out? 3 here and 3 here. 6 Pani Puri backside. Now, anyone tell me what is this number in word? Yes, you are right. Put the comma first. 1, 2. Now, what will be the answer? 10,000. Sorry, students. Sorry. 1 lakh. No. 10 lakh is the correct answer. Yes, you are right, my dear student. 10 lakh is the right answer. You remember this one. Don't forget, this is a correct answer, 10 lakh. Will you move for the third one? I will give only 2 answers. Rest of other answer you can find out yourself. That's a homework. Method is common only. Okay? Here I already explained each and every answer. Third question. Just third question is here. Find the value of the following. It is also having a 4 questions. Very simple one, students. What is here? The rule is little different one because I will show you only one answer. You can use your brain and find out remaining. A question is here. 4 numbers are given. 297 multiplied by 17 plus sign. Be careful regarding this one, students. Yes, 297 multiplied by 3. So, two numbers are in multiplication and then this both multiplied with plus sign. Good. What we have to do for this one? Yes, my dear students, something is common in this both multiplied. 2 numbers, actually 2 groups are there. In this 2 group, observe what thing is common. Yes, 297 in both the numbers. Both the multiply having 297 is common. Here 2 times multiply and then plus don't do. You can make it simple because we are You are the student of 6th standard, and here I am going to teach you how to make it easy way. See, the answer is here. First answer is here. Look at that. Yes, my dear student. What is common? 297 is common. We will take out, then after multiply sign in bracket. What is the left out of this one? If you take out the 297, what will be left out? Yes, 17 will be left out. And what is the sign of this number here? Plus sign. Just put the plus sign. If it is a minus, put the minus. See, in the next question, minus are also coming. Okay, out of this number, if you take out 297, we will left, yes, only 3. So here is the 3. Now, can you say here? Yes. 17 plus 3, where is it? 20. Yes, good. Okay, now 20 is to forget about. 0, 2 and 0, 0 forget about. Now, what is there now? 297 multiplied by 2. Will you do like this way in your book, or I will teach you new method? Very simple new method is, student. Forget about 0. Now 2 7 ja 14. 1 is the carryover. On air you can keep it 1 carryover still there. Now 2 9 ja 18. 18 plus 1 19. 19 means here 9 and carryover 1. 2 2 ja 4. 4 plus 1 5. And how many 0 you send it out? 1. Add 1 0 backside. Now my answer is over. Will you try rest of others? Yes, my dear students, that's a confidence. You can try out. We will solve again the next questions. Till that, goodbye. Take care. Bye bye.